In this video, I'm going to review how to use a table to figure out the rule of thirds for your photographs if you're trying to crop them and you can't figure out exactly where you want your main subject to be. So what I do is I go to Insert at the top, I click on it, and I look down for Table, and we're doing the rule of thirds, so I need 3 columns and I need 3 rows. So it's going to be a 3 by 3 table. Click on that. And the problem is that the lines are white when they show up. So I haven't clicked on my table or anything. So I'm going to go up here to where it says border color. I'm going to click on it. And for this picture, I'm picking black. And the lines are a little thin, so I can go right next door, go to border weight, click on that. And I'm going to pick 3 pixels for that. Okay, now I need to get the table right on top and centered over my photograph. So I have my cross arrows, which allow me to drag the table up and line it up at the top of the photo. And then I'm going to grab the corner. So now it's like a double-sided diagonal arrow. I'm going to click on that and bring it all the way down to the corner, bottom corner of my photograph. Okay, so now I have my 3 by 3 grid to help me with the rule of thirds. So the problem I noticed with this photo is that my quail, which is my main subject, is smack dab in the middle, and it doesn't really help out my picture at all. And he's facing to the left, so it looks like he's moving to the left. So I think I actually want him on the right side of the screen, closer to the right, so that it looks like we can see where he might be going. So I'm going to go back down to the corner here where I have my diagonal double arrow. I'm going to click on that corner. I'm going to try to get the right side closer to my quail. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So now, his foot is right here, his body's on this line, but you know what, I think I actually want his head to be more in this area so people really, it catches their attention. So back to the bottom I go. I'm going to drag this up a little more. Oops, that was a little too much. I'm going to take it down a little bit. Might need to do this a little differently. Maybe I need to just move it into the left. Alright. Maybe I'm going to even go to the top and get rid of some of the top. Ah, there we go. I think I have it now. Because what I really want is like his face and his eye to be on this intersecting point right here. So now I know that I'm doing a better job of following the rule of thirds. So I need to crop my photo. So I need to click on the photograph now, and I'll go up here to the crop button, the crop image. And when we do that, we get these solid lines. So at the corners, I guess it's an angle, a 90-degree angle, and then in the middle we have these little solid lines. And I know I need to get rid of this section, so I'm going to get my double arrow and slide that line over. Okay, so now that part I'm getting rid of is shaded gray. I'm going to go to the top because there's a little section I need to get rid of there. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the bottom and I'm going to get rid of this section. Okay, so now all of this, once I hit enter, is going to disappear. So I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard, bam, and now I have my photograph that follows the rules of thirds much better. And it's cool because we can see that the quail is walking this way. We can see where he's going. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of that graph, or the table, sorry. So I'm going to move that over to make sure I'm not deleting my picture. And now I'm just going to hit delete. And I have my now photograph that I really love. And I got rid of a lot of the extra green stuff that I didn't need in my photo. And I can even make it a little bigger if I want to. So that's kind of cool. So thanks for watching this video with me. You can keep replaying it if you need to remember how to use the table with your photograph. It's a little tricky. It's not what tables were made to do, but I think you can do it.